Welcome to Legion Legends.
Just cool boyfriend play game.
What's it like being a content creator?
तुम्हारी गेमिंग स्किल्स खराब है। मैं का एक्सक्यूज देता हूँ लाख कोमो खाना ऑर्डर करती है।
Reach your impossible. Hello there, everyone. Welcome to Legion Legends, powered by Lenovo Legion and Intel. I'm your host, Assassin47, and today we've got something extra special in store for you. We've got an incredible group of people with us today, four amazing individuals who are making waves in the gaming, social media, and the meme world. So, without further ado, let's meet our Legionnaire. First up, a woman who's got the internet buzzing with her amazing content, memes, and posts. It's Millie Cal Millie.
Hi guys, I'm super excited to be here and have some fun with my friends.
Oh, we will be keeping track of that, Millie. Yeah, super excited to have you here as well. Now, moving on, we are going to be having the man of the hour, a gaming legend, a true king, and someone who never backs down from a challenge. It's going to be Thug.
Alright guys, super fun to be here. I think it's gonna be an exciting time with my friends, and I think we have some snacks to munch later on. Snacks.
Snacks?
मैं guys मैं वो snacks खाने वाला नहीं मेरी बात हुई. I'm super happy to be here and I'm excited for this segment.
That's right. We're all very excited. The man who needs no introduction, ladies and gentlemen, Snacks Gaming. Thank you so much for being here. It's a pleasure to have you guys here. We have one more guest with us here today.
दिखाई नहीं दे.
Yeah, I mean, Ankita.
Yeah, snacks? मेरे को वड़ा पाव चलेगा.
That's Snacks. We are Snacks Gaming. Ankita, see everyone who keeps it real every time. Welcome to the show, and amazing to have you guys here. And joining us today is going to be yet another esteemed guest. Well, Thug, you want to take it?
Oh yes, take our gaming experience to the next level with the Lenovo Legion 5i.
It is powered by the 14th Gen Intel Core i7-H6 processor with 8 performance cores जो आपके गेमिंग हेवी गेमिंग के टास्क संभालते और आपको 8 एफिशिएंट कोर्स भी मिलते जिससे आपके डेली और लाइट टास्क संभलते. इससे क्या होता है आपकी ओवरऑल बैटरी बचती लैपटॉप.
It comes with the RTX 4050 GPU, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD to store all your favorite games.
And if you want to be a proud owner of this amazing gaming beast, stick till the end of the video to find out how. चलो थोड़ा लाइट स्टार्ट करते हैं. Thug, would you like to share with us some of your amazing or incredible gaming moments? Something like कोई incredible boss जो आप beat नहीं कर पाए थे after relentless retries or something like that.
I think gaming moments की बात करो playing games में I love the game Border Fights. I played it काफी बचपन से खेल रहा हूँ. So अभी जो उसका last version है बस 3 years ago. उसके बॉस में मुझे काफी difficulty हुई थी and I love playing that game तो finishing that game off. And I remember me and Scout were doing a marathon की कौन पहले खत्म करता है. So मैं पूरा extended नहीं करके फटाफट करके बॉस करके खत्म कर दिया था. He went for the extended. So yeah, I think those were good old days.
Awesome. Ankita, what about you?
I think मेरे लिए ना ब्लैक मैन वुकोंग में नॉट बाद के बॉसेस बट सबसे स्टार्ट वाला जो एक्वामैन वाला बॉस था विद 2 lives, it was so hard to beat for me, but eventually I did it after 2 stream and yeah, आगे का काफी easy.
I mean, Black Myth Wukong is something that you guys all were streaming, right? And it was pretty fun to watch your streams because I did see you struggling a little bit in the first boss, but that's fine, it happens. But moving on towards snacks.
For me, I would say कि सबसे difficult चीज़ जो मिल रही थी गेमिंग और एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर प्रोफेशनली घुसने के पहले बैक डेज जो पुराने दिन थे तब ये सब गेम्स खेलना नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल था क्योंकि लो एंड सिस्टम था तो बिल्कुल मेरे से ये गेमिंग नहीं होती.
So उस टाइम आपके सिस्टम में क्या पॉसिबल और इम्पॉसिबल था? लाइक आपने मेंशन किया कि लाइक कठिनाइयाँ हुई थी गेम्स खेलने में, क्या हो रहा है?
आई मीन इतने ट्रिपल ए गेम्स जो रहते हाई ग्राफिक्स वाले तो एकदम लो ग्राफिक्स पे खेलना पड़ता था जिससे कोई फील ही नहीं आता गेम का. फ्रेम ड्रॉप्स, फ्लक्चुएशंस एंड ऑल. एंड ये गेमिंग इस टाइप की गेमिंग नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल हो गई थी. बट आफ्टर सीइंग Lenovo Legion 5i ये लैपटॉप पे तो गेमिंग पॉसिबल नहीं था, उसको पॉसिबल बना दिया. इस पर हाई ग्राफिक्स के साथ मैं गेमिंग कर सकता हूँ, ट्रिपल ए गेम्स खेल सकता हूँ और जो ये सारे बॉसेस का नाम लिए तो इन सबको मैं आसानी से बीट कर सकता हूँ.
Absolutely correct, Snacks Bhai. I mean, आपके जैसे गेमर्स ना रुकते नहीं है जब तक आपके सपने पूरे ना हो. And Lenovo Legion ये समझता है. Like their philosophy is reach or impossible. They make fantastic cutting edge tech laptops so that gamers like you can achieve your dreams.
भाई इस लैपटॉप की टेक्नोलॉजी तो कटिंग एज है ही बट इसका जो प्रोसेसर है 14 जेन इंटेल कोर प्रोसेसर विद परफॉर्मेंस हाइब्रिड आर्किटेक्चर जो आपकी मल्टीटास्किंग में बहुत हेल्प करता है. मल्टीटास्किंग मतलब गेम खेलना, रिकॉर्ड करना, स्ट्रीम करना विदाउट एनी कॉम्प्रोमाइज. है ना भाई जबरदस्त.
Oh yeah, I went to meet my best friend recently and I had to travel by road for 3 hours. और ऊपर से बैटल पास का लास्ट डे था and I was this close to finishing it. Luckily I had my Lenovo Legion 5i with me.
अच्छा ये वही है क्या जिसका लास्ट ईयर अनबॉक्सिंग किया?
हाँ वही. थक मेरा कंटेंट देखता है. वाओ.
हाँ देखता हूँ, तुम कुछ कहानी बता रहा था, बोलो अभी।
तो और क्या, कैब को अपना गेमिंग स्टेशन बना लिया, बैटल पास खत्म कर लिया, एंड कैब में भी आई रीच माई इम्पॉसिबल.
All right, so let's talk about being a content creator, right? Like, tell me a little bit about your journey, your learnings. What did you struggle with the most? Let's start with you.
I think for me, being a content creator was I could just bring everything creative that goes on my mind to real life. I think I'm a very outgoing person, so for me, as a creator, as a streamer, I could connect with so many people, with our followers. When I was streaming regularly, I was with them regularly. So that was very important for me, and I think that was best for me being a content creator. Then obviously having such great people to work with, and it's an amazing colleague as Sequel. So yeah, like, it's been good as a creator. If you talk about struggle, I think it's about start. I think the biggest struggle of being a content creator is how to start, when to start. That's where majority of people back off.
Definitely. We're all lucky to have you as well, one of the brightest content creators out there in the industry. Ankita, over to you now.
My favorite thing about being a content creator is that I get to travel and I get a lot of EPS.
Oh my god.
And my struggle, I think I would say, was to show some self-control and remember that everything I do and say is on the internet forever.
So what's it like? Starting में तो थोड़ा difficulty हुआ होगा ना, to like control your emotions and everything. Like rage in the game, and then you overcame all of that, and then you're like
Yeah, now I'm a bit more sober and in control.
sober and control. Over to you, Millie, now.
My favorite thing would be my work is very flexible. I'm my own boss. Our work is not like 9 to 5. So दिन को मुझे क्या करना है that I can decide. अगर मुझे थग ने कुछ काम दिया है तो I can decide कि मेरे को ये वीक का स्पैन है तो मेरे को
This is so much fun. You said that. That's great. That's true. Being a content creator, you have that freedom to, work with your timings. Over to you, Snacks.
The favorite thing about being a content creator is creating work. सबसे ज़्यादा majority सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद में content बना जाता है. And the best part is when you travel to different cities, you meet a lot of people. And my content which I create makes me meet people which are not related to only gaming. Outside gaming too, like age factor भी बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे आता है. And वो चीज़ आंधी आंटी पहचान दी बोलते like मेरा बेटा देखता है हम भी उनके साथ देखते हैं आपके vlogs and all. That's overwhelming. And the struggle, I would say, from being a hardcore esports player to a content creator, that journey, I would call it struggle, but it was a bit challenging for me. I was going through injury. तो उसके बाद इतना ड्रास्टिक चीज़ देना, ऑडियंस को समझाना एंड उसमें एस करना, आई वुड से नॉट एस बट ठीक है, गोइंग टुवर्ड्स इट. सो दैट वाज द स्ट्रगल.
You miss being a player?
अभी के हालात के हिसाब से तो no, I'm enjoying my thing.
Like, of course, right? I mean, you're a very outgoing person. You're very vocal about things, and it's very fun to watch you do your content
ये थे हमारे सारे moments जहाँ पे we all went against the odds.
and all your stories behind it, your struggles and everything. But उसके पहले का क्या? Like, let's get to know a little bit about your childhood. Ankita, we'll start with you.
So after school, जब when I still in mom and going out to play with my friends, मैं actually so हमारे घर पे like I did not have such a great setup or PC. So I used to go to the cyber cafe to watch my then school boyfriend play games. रोज शाम को मैं जाती थी उधर and he used to play nice words.
Okay, what did you watch him play? Like, as in, what was the game? Dota. Did you get inspired and start playing Dota, or?
Yeah, I tried because he wouldn't teach me, so I tried to learn it on my own, and then I could not, so I gave up. And I played my little cute game.
All right. So that was Ankita's childhood story. But about you, Snacks, कुछ secrets?
Secrets तो since a kid I'm a gamer. चाहे वो sports side हो, चाहे वो gaming side. I was an head boy in my school. 9th and 10th में I was assistant. 9th में I was assistant head boy, and 10th में I was head boy. So head boy always has a perk. He can leave the class whenever he wants. He just needs to ask the teacher or the principal कि I'm just going for the route check or something. So whenever different classes वालों की जो games period होता था, I used to just watch them from the window. They are playing my favorite game, either it's cricket. Instantly go to the principal or go to the teacher, guys. I'm going to check. एक round मार के आता हूँ and directly jump into the ground playing with them and no one knew. I was the most sincere kid, but अंदर से I was very मतलब danger level का लगा. Proper backbencher.
I mean, शैतान तो हो आप, शैतान तो हो. But at the same time, it's very intriguing, right? As in, आपके कोई friends ने भी नहीं बोला कि head boy, because they won't complain, right?
स्कूल के दोस्त कभी भी आपको ऐसा पकड़ने नहीं देंगे टीचर के। स्कूल के दोस्त ऐसे दोस्त होते हैं जो आपकी बैक बिचिंग बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे और इतना बचाएंगे तुम्हारा प्रिंसिपल से या टीचर से कोई नहीं बता सकता।
Definitely. Now, Thug, over to you.
See, I have grown up as one of the naughtiest kids in my batch. But yeah, I was very naughty school में. Every teacher was after me. कुछ ना कुछ चलते रहता था. But I was the head boy as well in class 10. Naughty था पर head boy बन गया because decently talented था. So I have done lots of बहुत ज़्यादा बदमाशी किया मैंने। मतलब जो स्नैक्स बोल रहा है मेरा गेमिंग वेमिंग का नहीं था, मुझे बस याद था कि escape भाग के रहो चीज़ों से। I could have things my own way. My friends used to support me. I've done मतलब naughty things that I cannot mention here. जो मेरे दिमाग में आया ना लास्ट 10 मिनट क्या बोल सकता हूँ, सब इतने बदमाशी वाले आए हैं कि मतलब छोड़ दो। बट क्या यार मतलब आई वाज द गाय हेड बॉय होते थे, आई वाज ऑलवेज इन ट्रबल। रोज प्रिंसिपल मुझे ही डांट रही है, मैं क्या बच्चों को संभालूंगा ना। मैं ही फर्स्ट वो बंदा हूँ जिसको कॉल आउट किया जा रहा है कि तुमने आज ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, कर तुम यहाँ किए वो। बट आई हैड अ वेरी नॉटी चाइल्डहुड, बट आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड थिंग्स माय वे। सब लोग सपोर्ट किए, मॉम डैड पेरेंट्स फ्रेंड्स इवन टीचर्स ऑल्सो। पता था बदमाश है बट दे टू सपोर्ट मी। माय चाइल्डहुड वाज, स्कूल डेज वर इंसेन फन, इंसेन। मतलब I don't have a single day में बोलेंगे स्कूल जाने से बोर हूँ।
Like, definitely, this is something that we all, like, you know, crave for as well, right? As an amazing childhood, amazing school times, and you said something about escaping as well, right?
एंड मैं जहाँ स्कूल ट्रैवल करता था, जैसे स्कूल ट्रैवल करता था, ऑटो वाला आता था हमारे, यूसुफ भाई अपने नाम था उनका, हमेशा आते थे। तो जब हमारा 10th कंप्लीट हुआ था तो ही यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर अस कि भाई बाहर आएंगे निकलेंगे। हम लोग आए नहीं थे, उससे बहुत लेट आए। तो उनका ऑटो वहीं था, तो हम लोग ऑटो चालू करके सबको ड्रॉप करने चले। मैं ऑटो चला। लास्ट डे हमारा 10th का, जहाँ पे सबकी जर्सीज पे मतलब टी शर्ट पे सबकी ऑटोग्राफ्स वगैरह सिग्नेचर और है। मैं बोला सब लोग जितने ऑटो में फिट हो सकते फिट हो जाओ, सबको घर मैं छोड़ूंगा। और मैं ऑटो चलाया, उसका ऑटो लेके गया, पूरा सबको छोड़ के आया। वापस आया जब वो मेरे को ऐसा गाली दिया, वो घर पे लेके गया, घर पे आके बोला ये सब क्या कर रहे हो तुम। ये सब एस्केप मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल की है, बंक वगैरह करना।
You guys love escaping, and I mean, even after growing up, we're all escaping from reality, getting immersed into fantastic gaming worlds through Lenovo Legion 5i, so that's great. But now over to you, Millie. Have you got some interesting, adventurous story to tell us?
I have a story how I built my first setup. तो मुझे पहले लगा था my dad won't support me, he won't give me money or anything, and he did not want me to work anywhere. तो वो कभी वो सपोर्ट नहीं करते थे। तो मुझे लगा कि ये गेमिंग करोगी तो भी सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे। तो मैं क्लास के बहाने से आई यूज्ड टू वर्क अराउंड। सिर्फ मैं मॉम को बताया, मेरे घर पे किसी को पता नहीं था। शी यूज्ड टू सपोर्ट मी। तो मैं सब जगह पे काम करती थी। आई हैव टेकन समर कैंप, सभी डांस वगैरह मैं करती थी। तो समर कैंप वगैरह किया तो मैंने कुछ 20-40 के जमा किया। उसके बाद आई वाज लाइक नो, इसके आगे मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है। तो मम्मी को बोला मम्मी आगे के पैसे तू दे, आई वांट टू हैव माय ओन पीसी। मैंने पापा से बात किया तो पापा को पता चला मैंने काम किया, तो ही गॉट मैड। बट उन्होंने सारे मेरे पैसे दे लिया। फिर मेरे बर्थडे पे मेरे को पीसी दे।
Yeah, that's cute.
But he supports me. I was in misconception that he won't. I mean, I never spoke to him, तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था. But he supports me from the beginning.
That's very cute. That's so nice. That's so nice. So guys, हमने बातें तो बहुत कर ली, कहानियां बहुत शेयर कर ली। अब थोड़ा सा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करते हैं। Like let's have a roast challenge, ठीक है? But this is not going to be a typical roast challenge. इसमें थोड़ा twist करेंगे हम। So now we'll divide you four in groups of 2, as in a team. We'll form a team. So मैं आपको कुछ cards दूंगा, ठीक है? उससे आपका टीम पता चलेगा। First up is the queens, ठीक है? These are your cards, okay? And these are for the kings. There you go. So आप सबको आपके कार्ड मिल गए, तो let's reveal your cards first, ठीक है? कार्ड्स दिखा दीजिए कैमरा में, okay? So you guys are a team and you both are a team. Now the kings will swap places. So the rule is these two will be in a one-on-one battle. They'll be playing a 1v1 game, and what you guys have to do is distract the other while they are playing, so that your teammates win. We're going to be playing Tekken. Tekken में 1v1 होने वाला है।
अरे इसके हाथ में जॉयस्टिक है, उसका क्या नाम है?
सॉरी उनके साथ छोटा जॉयस्टिक मिला नहीं, बट
तो जीत गए तो मिली जीत।
मैं बोला इन्हीं से बैलो नहीं खेला जा रहा 5 साल से।
मैं अच्छा खेलती हूँ, अभी तुम लोगों की आदत हो गई है इससे, और हम यूज टू इट। ठीक है, लास्ट पिक कर लो।
ठीक है आओ चलो।
ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करें। आर यू रेडी अंकिता? मिली रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Easy है।
ये क्या कर रही है?
बचपन से practice है।
Press some buttons also. इसका combo
दूसरा बटन है
क्या होता है
नॉर्मल
उसको सिखा क्या होता है
तुम छोड़ो
एक से
एक्सिट वाला बटन दबाओ
ये ओवन प्लेस नहीं चलेगा
मिली कॉम्बो मार दो कॉम्बो मार दो
मिली सिर्फ कॉम्बो खाना ऑर्डर करती है
मैं छोड़ रही हूँ खेलना बता रही हूँ हो गया आखिर
टाइम क्या
अरे easy.
बढ़िया
दूर से हाई पर मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना इसका जॉयस्टिक चेंज करो
तुमने अच्छे से नहीं रोस्ट किया
तुम्हारी गेमिंग स्किल्स खराब है
ये देखो ऐसे बोलोगे
हार गई ना
छोड़ दो
दरारी तो थी. So for the next challenge, it is the rapid name challenge. We'll play a game where you all will need to think faster than ever. So let's do that. Shall we begin? Okay. So I'm going to be passing this jar to all of you. You guys have to pick a chit, and then you'll get a topic. So based on that topic, in 10 seconds you have to list as many things as possible. Okay? Cool. Let's do that. So Thug, you can start. Yes. Oh.
so it's YouTuber name
All right. So your time starts now.
okay so Snacks Millie Ankita Aman Viper Akshu Zeref Rebel Mamba Regaltos Mafia Goldie
And time.
got clutched mortal in
Yeah, clutched mortalins. That's great. Now over to Millie. What is it?
McDonald's menu. I don't eat junk.
You don't eat junk. Okay. All right. So I have to. Are you ready? Ready for it? All right. Your time starts now.
McFlurry, McOreo, French fries, peri fries, McMaharaja, aloo tikki, McSpicy chicken, McSpicy paneer, French fries, cheesy French fries. Oh, I was there.
Good enough. Almost there. So that was good. That was good. So now Millie, over to Snacks. Let's see what topic he gets.
Hopefully कुछ easy मिले
Oh, ठीक है दिखा दो रेडी
यार मुझे छोड़ के सबको eat
Game
किया
name.
है।
Your time starts now.
BGMI Valorant Road to Valor GTA Vice City GTA San Andreas GTA 4 GTA 5 GTA 6
ये खाया नहीं है।
आने वाला है. आने वाला है.
Wukong और Dota
That's time. Like GTA का
हम
बड़ा
भी
franchise है.
Mama shots bottle shots fire shots
All right. So now it's time for us to give the challenge to Ankita. Let's see what she gets.
और एक easy case.
We don't know that yet. What is it?
Lenovo Legion 5 i specs.
Whoa, that's a tough one, Millie. That's a tough one. Your time starts now.
14 Gen Intel Core i7 processor 14650HX RTX 4050 16 GB RAM 1 TB SSD Legion Fortran technology Lenovo AI Engine Plus Wi-Fi 6E नहीं भी audio by speed series
बस time हो गया अंकिता. I know you're in love with the laptop. It's great. Time हो गया. My God, she knows all of that. She's in so much love with the 5i. That's
I'm taking it
amazing.
home when you're not.
Oh, really? Okay. Well, security. So guys, हमने बहुत बातें की, हमने interesting challenges भी किए. But now moving over towards a more traditional challenge, which is going to be who is most likely to. But I know you guys all would have some secrets that the rest of the community doesn't know about. So वो सब ये games है हम थोड़े बाहर लाने वाले हैं, ठीक है? Some interesting questions, थोड़े कुछ spicy भी होंगे, तो you guys can answer accordingly. For this challenge, we have few whiteboards for you guys. So Ankita and Thug, you guys can find your whiteboards right there beside your seat, and Snacks, you can find yours there.
was there.
Yes, it's just magic. So there's that. You guys have got your whiteboards?
Yeah.
Okay. I've got a jar here with all the questions as chits. So if you guys are ready, we can start.
Ready?
You guys excited for this? Yes. Pumped up? Let's get the first chit out. Ooh. This is gonna be interesting. Who is most likely to throw their keyboard across the room after a loss?
यार too easy
Okay. Let me know when you are ready. Okay. You guys can show your answers now. Okay. So clearly, Thug and Ankita are the ones who are most likely to. Like perfect बिठाया ना उनको. Interesting. Who is most likely to stream in their pajamas and accidentally stand up?
यार ये तो मतलब everyone I guess
Yeah.
Okay.
It has happened with everyone.
ठीक है तो like लिख दो.
यार
ठीक है. आपने क्या लिखा है इसे?
I was at my auntie's Mortal के stream पे when he used to get 150k viewership. I walked into his room, I forgot it is live streaming. I opened my pants.
Completely. I remember that clip.
Back when you guys were like in the boot camp.
No, back when we used to stream from his flat, like his house, back in 2019.
The good old days. Huh? All right, let's go to the next question. Most likely to upload a clickbait thumbnail and title.
खुद का भी लिख सकते tweet.
मेरे पास आंसर नहीं है, इसके लिए मैं ये आंसर लिख रहा हूँ.
ठीक है, तो रिवील कर दीजिए आंसर्स. मिली अंकिता थग. मिली, क्या ये सच है? क्या ये सच है?
मैं अपलोड कर दिया.
Most likely to.
ठीक है. You guys ready? Who is most likely to forget their live and say or do something embarrassing? ऐसा कोई भूल जाता होगा लाइव जाने के बाद कि oh shit मैं लाइव हूँ. आपका रेडी है थग?
Yeah, I'm a bit confused.
Why?
There are a lot of interesting names in his mind. Okay. You guys can reveal your answers now.
Millie/Ankita.
I wrote मिली, फिर हमको लगा कि हम खुद ज्यादा कांड किया हुआ है सब. अब स्ट्रीम ही क्या करता हूँ, जब करता है तो हो जाता है.
Right, over to the next one. Who is most likely to stream snipe their friends just for fun? I mean, stream snipe is not fun, but why not?
If our answers are not matching, then it's wrong. It should match.
हाँ, मतलब एक ही जन कर रहा हूँ मैं नहीं.
एक बार भी
स्क्रिबल में स्ट्रीम स्नैप मैं नहीं करता है.
दोस्तों को screen से
चैट देख के मैं आंसर लिखता हूँ. चैट देख के आए.
वरना प्रोफेशनल स्ट्रीम से पर अमन का नाम लिखता है.
Alright, now for the next one. Okay. Who is most likely to blame lag for all their bad plays? Okay. Seems like an easy answer. सबके पास instant reply था.
Super easy.
Super easy. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Show it.
एकदम
मैं कहाँ एक्सक्यूज देता हूँ लैग का.
रियल होता है यार, एक्सक्यूज नहीं होता है.
इसमें मैं खुद पे फुल भरोसा करता हूँ because the only person having bad plays is me.
Okay. So the majority of the answer was thug. So over to the next one. Who is most likely to miss their own upload deadline because they were sleeping? I think we pretty much got the answer at the start of this video. Thug ने थोड़ा sneak peek दे दिया था ये answer.
आंसर देख रहे हैं क्या नहीं.
Ready?
Sure. What's your excuse, Millie? Millie.
Sorry, Millie. Alright, so we found the culprit. It's Millie. Okay, so we've got 3 more questions now. Over to the next one. Who is most likely to get banned from a game for trash talking?
Bye. Ready.
Ready? दिखा
ये
दीजिए.
ना.
दिखा दीजिए.
Thug.
Thug. Okay. ठीक है. Majority votes win. क्या यार थक भाई, ऐसा क्यों सब लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं आपके बारे में?
सोचता नहीं, मैं कभी ऐसा करता हूँ.
पर आप तो बड़े स्वीट हो.
ओह, जब तक it does not come to game.
ऐसा कंपैरेटिव साइड बाहर आ जाता है.
तो वैलोरेंट में चक्कू करते कोई एसिड वाला फिर होता है ट्रैश टॉकिंग.
Thank you for the service होता है.
ठीक है, मेरे पास नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रेडी है. Who is most likely to rage quit in the middle of a live stream?
सब शांत लोग
रीच क्विट करने वाले तो कोई नहीं है चार.
शांत लोग हो?
है
अंकिता ही करेगी रीच क्विट करना.
मैं का रेज
नहीं. अंकिता रेज नहीं
रेज
करती.
क्विट नहीं करेगी, रेज करेगी.
अंकिता रेज करती है, रेज क्विट नहीं करती.
नेवर क्विट. नहीं यार, तुमको पता नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा पोटेंशियल है इसी में यहाँ पे.
ओके,
वही होंगे फिर वाले.
you guys ready? कुछ तो मस्त आंसर आने वाला है इन लोग से.
किसी का नाम समझ नहीं आ रहा तो खुद के बारे में सोचना चाहिए.
Okay. Ready?
कुछ कह रही थी.
Show your answers. क्या है? Thug, snacks.
Exactly.
बहुत मतलब ऐसा हो गया कि मैं मामा अब लोग आउट ऑफ नोवेयर स्ट्रीम एंड और ऐसा की लॉबी में बात भी नहीं कर एंड नहीं खेल रहे. और आज बहुत टिल्ट हुआ बहुत है.
तो आज नहीं हो रहा है, आज नहीं खेलेंगे.
हमारा वो नहीं हो रहा वाला डेज जो हो जाता था ना, ये एकदम मर ही रहे लॉबी जाती, खेलना ही नहीं है.
Okay. For our last question, who is most likely to spend all their money on the latest gaming setup but still play on low settings?
Low settings? Still play on low settings.
But then, spend all your money to get the latest tech but still end up playing on low settings.
Oh, so someone needs to be dumb, man. Yeah, that's the question.
Comparative, थोड़ा सोच के. Look at Willy.
It went like this.
थक भाई ने ऐसे अटैक कर दिया ना मिली. थोड़ा बुरा लग रहा है.
नहीं करूंगी.
मेरा आंसर में रीजन.
आंसर में रीजन है. Okay. We're all very excited to know that. Ready? दिखा दीजिए. मिली, अंकिता,
Me.
Reason ये है to get more FPS, we lower the graphics. चाहे कितना भी high graphic
बहुत हाई एंड सेटअप रहेगा तो
नहीं कितना भी हो, I'll always play on the lowest graphics of the game.
गलत लिखा it's
I'll always play on the lowest
I didn't
graphics.
know
मतलब my thing was कि like you know if you talk about buying a good PC and still being dumb enough, then
No, अरे मैं थोड़ा competitive. No, competitive. हाँ, reference competitive way के हिसाब से
and
मुझे तो यार.
of course if you have a good PC and you're playing on low settings, that's your preference.
Preference. ऐसा वो बोल रही है. But guys, all of this debate can be put to an end if you have the Legion 5i, where you know you get the best of both worlds.
मत देना वो उसका यूज करने नहीं वाला
अरे क्यों नहीं करूँगा? मैं story mode games में I'll play on full graphics.
You'll get the max FPS.
Obviously, story mode games में AAA games में I'll play on full graphics. Yeah.
Absolutely. But even on the esports side of things, right? It's great to have the 5i because you get the best FPS with the latest cutting edge tech. But there's that. That was the end for our challenge. Good job, guys. Good job. Badhiya, fun tha ekdam. So guys, for our next challenge, we're going to be going beyond the pixels. This is going to be a very interesting segment because we are going to find out the fake gamer in this room. ठीक है? So
come on यार, I breathe, eat, drink gaming. Awards नहीं देखे.
मतलब गेमिंग इज लाइफ ब्रो.
I snack gaming for a living. I thought people told me snacks gaming.
स्नैक्स ये स्नैक्स था क्या?
snacks नहीं यार अंकिता, focus करो यार. थोड़ा serious हो जाओ guys.
फेक गेमर स्पॉटेड
I mean, anyway, सीरियस हो जाओ. ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि बाद में रिग्रेट करोगे. रूल्स थोड़े यू नो टफ है इसमें. पहले मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा एक 80% zoomed in image of a game. It's gonna be a screenshot, ठीक है? वो स्क्रीनशॉट दिखेगा गेम का. अगर तुमने राइट आंसर दिया तो तुमको मिलेंगे 3 Legion tokens. Now you guys might be thinking what is Legion tokens? We are giving out points for this and the point system is called Legion tokens. ठीक है? So 3 Legion tokens मिलेगा if you get the answer right in the first image itself. ठीक है? I'll give you some time to think about it. But still if you guys are not able to get the answer, I'll zoom it out a little bit. ठीक है? थोड़ा zoom out करूंगा. अगर तुमको answer correct मिलता है, so you'll get 2 Legion tokens. Cool. And if you still don't get it, I'll completely zoom out the picture and then you should be able to spot it out. If you are not, then we know who the fake gamer is. ठीक है? But at the final image, you'll get 1 Legion token. ठीक है? If you guys get the correct answer. Now, how are you guys gonna answer? तुम लोग ऐसे चिल्लाओगे तो नहीं, चिल्लाना नहीं है. You guys are gonna use something called as the golden buzzers. I'm gonna hand out your golden buzzers.
Okay.
Okay? So, if you guys know the answer, as long as just buzz and then give the answer. ठीक है? So, you guys ready for the first image? Yes? Alright. On your screens now. Okay, snacks.
क्या है? बस टेस्ट कर रहा था.
टेस्ट करें लेट मी गेस
नहीं. Snacks ने अभी बजाया तो he has to give answer.
नहीं कोई क्लू ही नहीं है मेरे को देख के.
Okay. Millie,
Valorant. I'm just guessing it's Valorant.
Valent is the right answer. Congratulations. So congratulations, Millie. You get 3 Legion tokens for the right answer. Now, shall we move on to the next one? Alright, on your screens now. Alright, so this is gonna be an interesting one. What do you guys think? Millie?
Is it Mario?
Nope. Mario's the wrong answer. Anyone else wants to give us
It's like a Tetris or something.
Yeah, even I thought Tetris, but Tetris doesn't have such same colored blocks.
Tetris? You guys have to buzz, by the way.
Yeah, I did Tetris.
No, Tetris is the wrong answer.
I told you it's wrong.
Alright, so nobody's able to guess.
I want a little zoom out.
Yeah, Zumochi.
Alright, cool. So let's move into the zoomed out image a little bit. Yes, there.
Among Us. Wait. I did it first.
She
I was good.
She buzzed first.
Among Us ही है यार.
Among Us.
Among Us is the right answer.
मेरे को
Congratulations.
पहले लगा भी था यार.
6 Legion tokens.
Wait.
So you cannot say the answer. You have to buzz.
Right. Wait for the
Wait for the-
moderator. No.
Yes.
I buzzed it first. I immediately.
Emotions control करो अंकिता. क्या कर रहे हो यार? Okay. He'll move on to the next image. Yeah. Let's go.
कुछ भी यार कुछ भी.
BGMI.
BGMI is wrong. Millie.
Finals.
Finals is wrong.
GTA.
GTA is wrong.
जितने गेम में दरवाजे.
सब बता दिए. सब बता दिए. Okay. Ankita.
Midnight Books.
No.
Midnight
Will,
Books का meeting किधर से आया?
Zoom out,
Zoom out a
please.
little bit?
Yeah, zoom out.
Okay. Next image.
Snacks. CS.
एक सेकंड.
PS.
CS go.
PS.
1.6 or go.
2 is the right
CS
answer.
two, yeah.
Counter Strike
It's
2 is the right
obviously CS.
answer. It's CS2 Inferno. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You get 2 Legion tokens. Okay. Moving on to the next image now. Yeah, shall we? Let's go. Next image. Ankita?
Draft.
Is it Uncharted?
No, it's not
मेरे
Uncharted.
को भी Uncharted लगा.
Anyone else? So कुछ hint विंट चाहिए क्या? हाँ?
Assassin or something.
Assassin's Creed is
Prince
not
of
the right.
Persia.
No.
एक बार में 2 बोल दिया.
सब बोल दिया. Oppo. Okay, Millie. No. Okay, let's zoom out.
ये कौन सा गेम है भाई?
Yes. Ankita?
Palworld?
No.
No.
I can give you a hint if you guys want.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a zombie apocalyptic game.
Resident Evil.
Resident Evil is wrong.
वही खेला है अब तो.
You have to buzz, by the way.
Yeah.
Buzz, please. It's a zombie-related game.
Left to the
Left 4 Dead wrong.
ना तो गेम का नाम ही नहीं पता हमको.
Ankita ने फिर भी Left 4 Dead बोला. That's great. Anyone else?
Last of Us.
Last of Us is wrong. Okay, we'll zoom out.
the daylight game. No, Dying Light. Is it?
Dying Light is the right answer. Dying Light, which one though? 2 is the right one. Correct. Dying Light 2 is the right answer. Congratulations, Ankita.
I got 2 points.
Amazing, yaar. Good job. Let's go.
अब भाई सबके स्कोर है तुम्हारे. तेरे?
Cool. So let's move on to the next image, guys. Let's go. Next image. Okay. It's not Valorant.
ओके, मॉर्टल ये गेम खेलते हैं यार. ये वही है पानी के अंदर डाइव करने वाला शायद. ऐसा ही क्या?
सर्कल था
नहीं, मॉर्टल जो बहुत खेलते थे फिर वो बंद कर दिया.
PC है ना?
Tell the
सबमरीन वाला गेम.
It's a PC game. Yeah?
Sea of Thieves?
No. See if this is wrong. Anyone else? यार अंकिता और मिली को तो पता होना चाहिए.
नाम पता है इन लोगों को
एक
इतना.
मिनट.
अंकिता और मिली को तो पता होना चाहिए.
हिंट क्यों दे रहे हो?
I mean, सी बता. No.
तो नेक्स्ट जूम आउट.
We'll zoom out.
हाँ, 2
Okay,
minutes.
zoom out a little bit. There you go.
What?
Yeah.
Arcane. League of Legends.
Yes. League of Legends is the right answer. League of
जो
Legends
मैं
is
भी
the
नहीं
right
देखा
answer.
जिंदगी में, हम कहाँ से बोलेगा.
Congratulations.
इस टाइप का गेम तो कभी
4
नहीं
points.
That's 2 Legion tokens for you again. Congratulations, Ankita.
यार मैंने थोड़ा अंधेरे में खेला है.
Ankita or Millie recently played League of Legends, so
It should have been done.
okay, cool. We'll move on to the next one. Let's go.
What?
एक सेकंड.
क्या है ये?
This is a very easy one since we discussed
इसलिए
it.
ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट कर रही थी.
Wukong?
Black with Wukong is the right answer. God damn, 3 Legion tokens for Ankita.
So
Insane.
that's 3 and 4. 7.
Quick maths.
चला पड़ेगा.
Yeah, right. Let's move on to the next one. ये तो interesting है. Yes. Fortnite is the right answer.
When you start your career with a game, you cannot forget that game.
3 Legion tokens for Thugbai.
Stop snacks to
Amazing.
हम Fortnite से अपना करियर शुरू किया था.
ठीक है. Let's move on to the next picture, guys. Let's go. Okay. Yes.
पीछे ना.
No. Yeah.
Once human?
No. Anyone? We'll zoom it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, zoom it out a little bit.
BGMI. PUBG PC. PUBG PC.
You said BGMI first.
Yeah.
I mean, it's PUBG Battlegrounds. It's PUBG Battlegrounds, which is the right answer. Okay. Ankita is leading currently, which is great. Congratulations. Let's move on to the next picture.
Second.
Second is the right answer. Thug gets it. Congratulations, Thug.
3 more points.
Yeah.
Right? So he's
6. You guys ready for the next picture?
खेला हुआ उसका समझ आता है, नहीं खेला हुआ नहीं पता.
True, yeah, true. Second, I mean, of course, इनको तो याद होगा हमारा पिछला चैलेंज जो हमने.
हाँ लेकिन ये हीरो नहीं लिया कोई ना.
I mean, true, but Thugbai तो Thugbai है यार. He knows his way around games. Okay, we'll move on to the next picture. Let's go. This is the last picture, by the way, if you guys don't know already.
You can't see it only.
Okay, you guys can't see it.
Wait.
Yeah. Even if it's 80, it's literally.
Okay, we'll zoom it out a little bit. Okay, you want to
Angry
guess?
Birds.
Angry Birds नहीं.
Sims
Sims which one?
3. This is not 4. 4 is not such
नहीं
shit.
के लिए सब गेम भाई.
Sims 3 is wrong.
Sims 2.
No.
Sims 1.
Sims 4.
Sims 4.
Sims 4.
Sims.
मैं
I
पहले
said it. No, she did not burn. She did
I
not burn.
हम ये बाइक पे
But
pixel
you
नहीं
were
बनाते.
contemplating. You were contemplating.
वैसे भी अंकिता ही जीती यार.
नहीं, हम टाई हो जाएंगे.
अच्छा.
No, हो जाएगा.
हाँ ले लीजिए पर मैं जीत गई.
नहीं, 6 नहीं, I'm 9.
No.
I was 6.
She had 6. This is zoomed, so it's 8. It's not 9. ठीक है? But congratulations, Millie. You get this one. It's called Sims 4. That was it for the challenge. These were all the images. And can we have the results, please?
Fake gamer detected.
It is gonna be Snacks Gaming.
भाई नहीं खेला है मैं more into Battle Royale FPS that's it
मेरा नहीं सोचो
Fortnite ठीक है नहीं खेला ना
और इंडिया में इतना पॉपुलर भी नहीं है ना Fortnite
CS खेला है Valo खेला है
बट ठीक है
थोड़े बहुत स्टोरी मोड खेले
पहले भी गलत थी
एक्सक्यूजेस तो है एक्सक्यूजेस तो
हाँ ठीक है
Fake gamer detected, but amazing job, guys. And the winner is making her the Legion Commander. Congratulations, Ankita, once again. Round of applause to you and your performance. ये थोड़ी सब मजाक के लिए कर रहे थे ना? Like बोला था बाद में regret करोगे. Anyway, serious हो जाओ. Honestly बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि बाद में regret करोगे. I'm looking at you, Snacks.
अच्छा
आपने सबसे कम पॉइंट्स गैदर किए which makes you the loser of this challenge and fake gamer we call you the fake gamer and अब आपके साथ क्या होगा इसका फैसला तो अंकिता ही लेगी
एक सेकंड कुछ पनिशमेंट है
होगा यस
ये पहले बोल रहा था ना
तो भी कौन सा
मैंने
गेस कर
बोला
लेता तू
मैंने बोला था
आपको याद है 3-4 राउंड के बाद स्नैक्स हमको बोला था थक भाई आप हीरो कहाँ पे हो
मैंने बोला था आप रिग्रेट करोगे बाद में आपने सुना नहीं मेरी बात सीरियसली नहीं ली now before the Legion Commander Ankita decides what happens with Snacks we are gonna crown her for her victory I've got the crown right here let's go slay congratulations oh गिर रहा है आराम से and along with that I'm also gonna be handing over this Legion 5i
चल मैं चलती हूँ
I mean रुकिए उसके साथ आपको कुछ करना है जो आप बाद में बताओगे yes but पहले हम डिसाइड करते हैं स्नैक्स के साथ क्या होगा
तुम रुको यहाँ पे मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ लेके आ रही हूँ
अभी क्या सीन
सो मेरे पास अभी इतने सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं अब मैं डिसाइड करूँगी कि मुझे फेक गेमर के लिए क्या बनाना है सो सबसे पहले हम लोग बेस के लिए यूज़ करेंगे सोया मिल्क बिकॉज स्नैक्स इज इनटू फिटनेस सो थोड़ा चॉकलेट फ्लेवर एंड नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव सम चाट मसाला फ्लेवर इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है ठीक है हर चीज़ में सो फ्लेवरफुल ड्रिंक बनाएंगे हम हमारे दोस्त के लिए दस मिनट आई थिंक वी हैव सम हनी भी डाल के देखते हैं आई थिंक सो फार हम लोग सब स्वीट ही डाले हैं वी गॉट सम हनी नेक्स्ट वी विल पुट रिच इन विटामिन सी एप्पल जूस फॉर आवर फिटनेस फ्रीक फिर पानी थोड़ा सा मैं पी भी था नेक्स्ट लेट्स ऐड सम कोका कोला And what else do we have? We have some tender coconut, we have some Red Bull and we have some pickle. I think हमने ना इतना सारा लिक्विड डाला है तो एक chewable item भी हमको डालना चाहिए 1 चम्मच pickle for some nice zesty flavor. Tender coconut water. ये ईरो में बचा के रखूँगी इसके बाद इसको ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है and hope उसको अच्छा लगे. There you go. This is our sweet and sour mix fruit juice. For snacks, do you see this? The chocolate milk, the पानी बन जाए वो, and the pickle का orange. I think he'd like it.
ये मैं
अरे यार ओके करना हुआ यार
healthy drink
detox
snacks
next up gym workout
ना
क्या है ये
एक सिप लेके देखो
चल ना Snacks you can do this yes
अरे क्या हुआ प्री वर्कआउट
हेलो फेक गेमर
वैसे याद है कि हमने कहा था कि
and if you want to be a proud owner of this amazing gaming beast stick till the end of the video to find out how
share your legendary clips from your favorite shooter games चाहे Ace हो, Clutch हो, Chicken Dinner या Victory Royale कहा in the Discord server linked in description and we'll be picking one winner during our live streams. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video powered by Lenovo Legion and Intel. वैसे तो मैं तुम लोग को गिवर के बारे में बता दिया था अभी but I'll remind you again the link is in my description जल्दी जाए participate करें and you could win yourself a Lenovo Legion 5i laptop. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.